What is a brokerage account?
A brokerage account is an investment account that lets you buy and sell stocks, bonds, funds, and other securities. You can open an account through a brokerage firm, either online or in person. This account acts as a bridge between you and the financial markets, allowing you to manage your investments directly.
Why should I open a brokerage account?
Opening a brokerage account allows you to participate in the stock market, grow your savings, and achieve financial goals like retirement or buying a home. Compared to traditional savings accounts, brokerage accounts offer a broader range of investment choices and the potential for higher returns, though they do involve some risk.
What do I need to get started?
To open a brokerage account, you typically need to provide some personal information, including your social security number, contact details, employment information, and a bank account for funding. Have your identification ready. Decide if you want an individual, joint, or retirement account beforehand so you can choose the best option.
How do I choose a brokerage firm?
Compare brokerage firms by looking at fees, account options, available investment products, tools, and customer service. Consider whether you prefer an online platform for convenience or a traditional firm with in-person support. Check if the firm is registered and has a good reputation for reliability and security.
What is the account opening process?
Once you pick a brokerage, apply online or visit a branch. Fill out the application with your information, select your account type, and agree to the terms. After approval, transfer money from your bank to fund the account. Your account is now ready, and you can start investing by placing your first trades.
Are there any tips for beginners?
Start slow. Invest only what you can afford to risk, and take time to understand your options. Many brokerages offer educational resources. Take advantage of these before making decisions. Consider speaking with a financial advisor if you're unsure. Remember, investing is a long-term process, and patience is important.